Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our online class, Greenfield School and College. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor Biology, Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. Dear students of 10 English version, how are you? I hope you are well and fine and studying your test exam syllabus regularly. Okay, today is chapter 3. From chapter 3, some important question we will discuss. So let's go. Number 1 question. Meiosis happen in which organ of flowering plant? Meiosis happen in which organ of flowering plant? Flowering plant. ওকে, ফ্লাওয়ারিং প্ল্যান্টের কোথায় মিওসিস ঘটে? ঠিক আছে, দেখো মিওসিস হ্যাপেন্স ইন হুইচ অর্গান অফ ফ্লাওয়ারিং প্ল্যান্টস। হেয়ার ইওর অ্যান্সার উইল বি অ্যান্থার। অ্যান্থার অ্যান্ড ওভারি। ওকে, অ্যান্থার অ্যান্ড ওভারি, যেটা অপশনে থাকবে সেটাই লিখবে। হ্যাঁ, অ্যান্থার অ্যান্ড ওভারি। সো meiosis happens in which organ of flowering plant? Anther and ovary. Number 2, how many times does the does the nucleus divide in meiosis. Okay, in meiosis, MEIOSIS, হ্যাঁ, মিওসিসে নিউক্লিয়াস কয়বার বিভাজিত হয়? How many times does the nucleus divide in meiosis? You know, meiosis occurs in gametic cell, and here 4 daughter cell produce and their chromosome number becomes half. Okay, so here 2 times divided nucleus and 1 time divided chromosome. So the question is, how many times does the nucleus divide in meiosis? So nucleus divided 2 times. Nucleus divided 2 times and chromosome divide 1. Then 3. Yeah. Then number 3 is in which step nucleus completely disappeared? Okay, in which stage nucleolus in which step nucleolus completely disappeared. RED. Okay, in which stage? You know the 5 stages in mitosis cell division: prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Okay, in which stage nucleolus completely disappeared? Completely disappeared stage is metaphase. Okay, metaphase. Completely disappeared, metaphase. Number 4, centromere, division of centromere occurs. Okay, in which stage centromere, division of centromere, in which stage division of centromere occurred. Okay, centromere occurs the last part of metaphase. So this is also metaphase. It is not anaphase. Okay, many students mistake this MCQ. They think the anaphase. Okay, but it is metaphase. At the last moment of metaphase, centromere is divided. Okay. Then where does meiosis occurs? You know, meiosis occurs in gametic cell. Then the question is, in which stage of mitosis cell division is sister chromosome produced? It is telophase. Okay. Which one happened before or after cytokinesis? This question is very, very important. Huh? Which one happens? Which one happens before and after? দুটোই হতে পারে, হ্যাঁ, বিফোরও থাকতে পারে, তোমার আফটারও থাকতে পারে। Which one happens before or after cytokinesis? Cytokinesis. Okay, this question is very, very important. Which one happens before and after cytokinesis? Before and after cytokinesis, it is your answer will be interphase. Okay, answer is interphase. PHASE. হ্যাঁ, কারণ ইন্টারফেস দশায় আমরা কি দেখতে পাই যে সেল প্রথমে ডিভাইড করে, তারপরে ইন্টারফেজে চলে যায়, আবার হচ্ছে ডিএনএটা ডিভাইড করে, তারপরে আবার ইন্টারফেজে চলে যায়। হ্যাঁ, তাহলে এটার আগে এবং পরে উভয় ক্ষেত্রেই তুমি কি দেখবা? ইন্টারফেস। ক্লিয়ার? আচ্ছা, আই থিঙ্ক ক্লিয়ার। দেন cell division condensing stage. Okay, in what stage of cell division condensing start? Huh? In which stage? In what stage? Stage of cell division condensing start. হ্যাঁ, condensing SING. হ্যাঁ, condensing start. You know the first stage first stage, that is prophase. In the stage of prophase, the chromosomes is condensing. Okay, chromosome is condensing. So it is clear, I think. Ester ray is radiant in which stage of mitosis? Ester ray is radiant in which stage? Ester ray. Astral ray is radiated. হ্যাঁ, কোন ধাপ থেকে তোমার অ্যাস্টার রে বের হয়? ঠিক আছে, ইন হুইচ স্টেজ। ঠিক আছে, তাহলে অ্যাস্ট্রাল রে ইজ রেডিয়েটেড ইন হুইচ স্টেজ? ইউ নো দিস ইজ প্রোমেটাফেজ। ওকে, প্রোমেটাফেজ. Then another important question is result of uncontrolled cell division. Okay, which one is the result of uncontrolled cell division? Which one is the result of uncontrolled? Uncontrolled. Okay, uncontrolled cell division অথবা uncontrolled mitosis. Okay, uncontrolled cell division. Uncontrolled cell division means irregularity cell division. Okay, so your answer will be first one tumor, then turn to cancer. Okay, tumor, MOUR, and then cancer. তোমার অপশনে যেটা থাকবে তুমি সেটাতে দাগ দিবে। হ্যাঁ, টিউমার, ক্যান্সার যেটা থাকবে সেটাই। নাম্বার 9, সিন ইন নস্টক। ওকে, which type of cell division? Which type of cell division? Which type of cell division is seen in nostoc? Is seen in nostoc. NOSTOC. Okay. Which type of cell division is seen in nostoc? This is amitosis. Amitosis. SIS. তাহলে this answer will be amitosis. Okay. Which virus is responsible for irregular increase of number of cell in a part of colon? Okay. Or what is the name of the virus of cancer? Okay. What is the name of cancer? Okay. Cancer virus. What is the name of cancer virus? This is papilloma. Okay. Papilloma. Papilloma virus. ঠিক আছে? Then the question is, which gene is responsible? Which gene is responsible? Which gene is responsible for cancer? Okay. Your answer will be E6 and E7. You know the two types of gene, E6 and E7 is responsible for the cancer. Okay. And main virus name is papilloma virus, and the gene, okay, the gene which is responsible, that is papilloma virus. Papilloma virus, and gene is E6 and E7. Okay. Then V shape chromosome. Okay. V, L, J and I shape chromosome. Okay. There are 4 types of chromosome. B, L, J, I. B is known as metacentric. Metacentric. L shape means submetacentric. Submetacentric. Okay. J means acrocentric. 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 And last one, I means telocentric. Telocentric. Okay. So এখান থেকে না 2 ধরনের কোশ্চেনই আসতে পারে। যেমন আমি তোমাকে বলতে পারি যে মেটাসেন্ট্রিক ক্রোমোজোমটা লুকস লাইক অ্যাজ ভি। মেটাসেন্ট্রিক ক্রোমোজোমটা কি আকার বা ইংরেজির কোন অক্ষরের মতো, এরকমও থাকতে পারে। আবার আমি তোমাকে অল্টার কোশ্চেনও করতে পারি যে আকৃতির ক্রোমোজোমের নাম কি, অ্যাক্রোসেন্ট্রিক। ওকে। আই আকৃতির ক্রোমোজোমের নাম কি, টেলোসেন্ট্রিক। এরকম এই কোশ্চেনটার মধ্যে আমি 4টা দিয়েছি কিন্তু, ঠিক আছে? ভি, এল, জে, আই। ইউ নো দ্যাট V means metacentric. Here L means submetacentric. Here J. Okay. J means acrocentric, and here 1 arm and 1 centromere. This is known as telocentric. So এখান থেকে 4টা প্রশ্ন হয়। মেটাসেন্ট্রিক, সাবমেটাসেন্ট্রিক, অ্যাক্রোসেন্ট্রিক, টেলোসেন্ট্রিক। ওকে। আচ্ছা। The number of germ cell increases in which division? The number of germ cell increases in which division? Okay. This is mitosis. You know mitosis. What is the name of V-shaped chromosome? Already this gone. The second division of the meiosis cell division is similar to, this is very important. The second division, SECOND, the second division of the meiosis cell division is similar to here you can see uh, two stages of meiosis cell division. First one, chromosome becomes half, and second one, they multiply. Okay, so first division chromosome becomes half, and second division like as mitosis. Okay, so meiosis 2 like as mitosis. Okay, meiosis 2 like as mitosis cell division. Then go to which cell do all multicellular organism originate? Okay, from which cell? From which cell? ঠিক আছে, from which cell all multicellular organism originate. Okay, from which cell do all multicellular organism originate? From zygote. Okay, from জাইগোট থেকে আসলে সকল মাল্টিসেলুলার অর্গানিজমের জীবন শুরু হয়। হ্যাঁ, তুমি আমি সবই আমরা কোন সেল থেকে? জাইগোট থেকে। ওকে, another question, what is the called the J-shaped chromosome? J-shaped chromosome is known as acrocentric. Okay, then chromosome is called submetacentric, that is B. Which stage does spindle apparatus develop? Spindle apparatus and traction fiber, this is prometaphase. In which stage does spindle fiber FIBRE spindle fiber apparatus, APPARATUS, apparatus develop. আচ্ছা, in which stage spindle fiber apparatus? This is prometaphase. Okay, this is prometaphase. Okay, then go to does spindle fiber develop? Stem. Estrade is radiated in which stage of mitosis? Prometaphase. The cellular organ spread estrade during mitosis cell division. This is during mitosis cell division. Centriole. Okay. Estrade spread estrade during mitosis cell division. Which cellular organ? Okay. Which organ spread estrade? Spread estrade. The organ name is centriole. এই জন্যই কিন্তু প্রাণীকোষ বৃদ্ধি পায়। ওকে, কারণ প্রাণীকোষে আমার কি আছে? সেন্ট্রিওল আছে। ওকে, হুইচ অর্গানলি spread estrade? Your answer will be centriole. Okay, during cell division is zygote. The nuclear membrane reappear in telophase. Okay, the nuclear membrane repair in repair in which stage? your answer will be telophase. You know, telophase. Okay. Then another question: the nuclear membrane reappear in telophase. In which stage cell division spindle apparatus following takes place after interphase? First one, okay, prophase. Meiosis occurs in anther. দেখছো এই কোশ্চেনটা কতবার আসছে? স্প্লিট, মাল্টিপ্লাই. ওকে, হোয়াট ইজ দ্য নেম? What is the name of P mark part? Here P mark part is cell plate. Okay, cell plate occurs here. Figure is shown this. Okay, here two nucleus, nucleolus and chromosome, and here this part is here A, here A part is, what is the name of A part? Okay, the A part name is cell plate. Cell plate, Plate. Okay, so these are the important question from chapter 3. That's all. Allah Hafiz.